Okay, now we continue to example 5. In this topic, we are going to learn construct a triangle given one side and two angles. So don't forget to bring your protectors, compass, and rulers to draw this one. In this case, construct triangles XYZ such that XY is equal to 9 centimeter and the angle of XYZ is 38 degrees and the angle of YXZ is equal to 67 degrees. The question part 1 is construct the perpendicular bisector of XZ, and the second question is construct the angle bisector of XZY, and the question part 3 is the two bisector intersect at U, and complete the following statement. For this one, the point U is equidistant from the point blah 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 and equidistant from the lines blank and blank. Now, let's take a look for the construction steps in the solutions. Now, first of all, draw a line XY with the length XY is 9 centimeter. Okay, now we draw the line of XY here around 9 centimeters. So I will use the black ink here, 9 centimeter. Alright, now we have already drawn it, and don't forget to give the name of this line, that is XY. That is XY. And then since the angle of 67, using a protector X and mark of an angle 67 degrees and draw a line X8 such that the angle of YX8 is 67 degrees. Now I will use my protector here and mark off and be sure that the center here on the X, and then mark off 67 degrees, maybe around. So to help me, I will make it more bigger. Alright, now this is our mark off, and then I will draw X8 by using my ruler here. So I have to length it. Alright, now I have to adjust this line like this. I have to move this one, and alright, now to make sure that it's already done. Okay, give me more minutes to adjust this. Okay, now it's okay. Once more. Okay, now I can draw the line of X8 such that the YX8 is 67 degrees. Now since Y is 38 degrees, now I will use my protector and my rulers, uh, my protectors again here, and then mark off the number 38. So the 38 must be here, this line. I indicate this dots, and then I will draw the line that go to that dot. Okay, now I have to rotate this line again. So please wait for this one. I have to adjust this line. Okay, now I will move this line and make sure that this point is connected with the point Y, like this. Okay, now I continue. Alright, now make it more perfect. Alright, now I have already done. Now I can draw the line of this one. Now you can see there is an intersection here. That is the intersection of, I give the name of X8 first, and then YK here. Okay, now this intersection in on the point that is Z. So this is our Z. Now we have already done with this triangle. Now to construct the perpendicular bisector of XZ, we just use our compass here, XZ. So we start from here, and then I have to make sure that the length of this is more than half of XZ. So I will use the blue line or indicates the arc of this one. So this is all right. Now remember that it's not from X, but okay, you can use this one. Now don't forget, we will use the same uh, arc, the same radius, and put on Z like this. And then don't forget to flip this, and then I draw again the arc, and therefore it can intersect on 2 points. But before that, make sure that X also intersect with this one, so you have to adjust very carefully. Alright, now you have already find two intersection here, and you can draw the perpendicular line here by using the ruler here, and then you have to rotate your ruler again like this, and make sure that the two intersection dots is connected each other like this. Alright, now we have already find the perpendicular bisector here. This is our perpendicular bisector. Alright, and of course we know that the angle of this line is 90 degrees. Okay, now what is the next questions? Construct the angle bisector of xyz, construct the perpendicular bisector of xz. Of course we have done. And then the part 2, construct the angle bisector of xzy. So you have to, alright, now we can use the green one here and put the arm like this, and make sure that it's more than half from xy. So now I will draw, because the center is on z, remember, because x, z, y, the z must be the center, and then I draw the arc like this, and then it will be intersect with x, y here, and then I draw again the arc like this, and of course I do the same thing on xc, the intersection of xc is here, and then I draw again the arc like this, and we got the intersection between these arcs on here. So we can draw the line by using the yellow one, and of course you use your ruler to differentiate with its other lines. Okay, now make sure that is connected between Z and this new line, and you finally got, oops, is missing, so I have to adjust. Alright, now I have to adjust again, make sure that you have the correct. Now I have already, yes, this is the line of the angle bisector of xzy. Okay, now the two bisector intersect at U. So this is our U. So I will give the name, this point is U. Okay. Now we have already done for this drawing, and we have already give the name of each dot, and we can say that in this case I will move this protector first before we continue. It's very difficult to control here. Alright, now the point O is equidistant from the point X and Z. Alright, and equidistant from the lines X, Z, and YZ. Okay, I think it's correct, right? And of course, this angle is equal with this angle. So we have already done with these questions, and please do your practice 5. Okay, do this practice now 5 to make you be perfect on this topic. All right, don't forget to do your exercise, and see you later in the next chapter. Bye bye.